What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy, Tank Be Choppin', and we back with another video. And on this video, we actually gonna be unboxing and reviewing the new Stylecraft Pro Mr. Cartoon Master Deluxe Shaver. Let's get it.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
All right, guys, so check it out. As you can see, we have another collab from Mr. Cartoon and Stylecraft. If y'all remember, I believe it was about a year or so ago, they dropped the Rebel, the Stylecraft Rebel, and it had the Mr. Cartoon lids on it. It had like different color lids you could have got with it. It is now like a collector's item type thing. They don't have it for sale anymore. It's limited edition, and I think they're going for like $1,000 right now. Like if you can find them online, people are selling them things for like $1,000. So nonetheless, man, they're coming out with another drop, another collab on an item, which is this Master Deluxe Shaver. Basically, from what I see and what I've used, it's basically like the Rebel, just with some, Mr. Cartoon stuff on it. But before we dive deeper into that, let's go ahead and look at this box and read some of the specifications on the back before we actually get to unboxing this and before I actually give y'all my review. So check it out, man. The box looks nice. As you can see, we got the shaver right here. We got the Mr. Cartoon logo on top. Check that out right there. Ergonomic and lightweight design, weighing only 5.3 ounces. Gold titanium foils for even the most sensitive skin. And then on the side, it also tells you what comes in the box. So you get a protective cap, a charging cord, instruction manual, and a cleaning brush. So that's pretty, that's basically what you need in a shaver. Professional shaver with super torque motor. Super torque motor runs at 11,000 RPMs for powerful and smooth shaving. Premium gold titanium foils offer a superior shaving experience for even the most sensitive skin. Detachable foils and cutters for thorough cleaning and sanitizing. Lithium-ion battery provides 120 minutes of cordless operation. Can be used corded or cordless, however you want to do it. USB-C rechargeable for universal worldwide use, and also compatible with the Stylecraft USB-C charging stand. So if you have the Stylecraft charging stand, you can place this on there and use that as a stand. It's got a soft matte finish, weighing, like I said earlier, 5.3 ounces, has a protective cap. Yeah, man, so that's basically what it says on the back, but y'all probably don't even care about that. Y'all want me to open this up so we can actually see the shaver, but let's go ahead and get this shaver out of here. All right, so we open up the box. As you can see, it does come with an instruction manual. Y'all know how I do these, man. I don't ever look at those, so we're gonna chunk that to the side. But as you can see, the shaver is sitting inside of the box nicely. But let's go ahead and take out this shaver, and once you take out the shaver, we do have the charging cord down there. So that's basically all it comes with. We have it's a regular USB on this side, and then it's the USB-C on the opposite side to plug into the shaver. So that's pretty dope, man. I like that they send you a USB-C, because my USB-Cs be breaking a lot, so I need a couple of them.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
But check it out, man. Here is the Mr. Cartoon Master Deluxe Shaver. As y'all can see, does come with a clear cap on it. Let's go ahead and take this cap off. Take that off like that. As you can see, here are the foils on top, the cutters. But let's take a closer look at this shaver. This is the front. Looks dope, man. I'm liking the little colorway and I'm liking the designs on it. As you can see, it has the Mr. Cartoon logo right there. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera due to the glare and whatnot, but check that out. But let's look at the back. The back has a little more, you know, of the design on there that I think that we want to look at. So we got some buildings on there. Check that out. I'm get a little closer so y'all can actually see the artwork on there. So we have all this artwork right here, looks nice, and then we have, you know, these little designs on there also, which once again looks nice. Now, I thought they were gonna come out with like 3 different versions of the shaver, kind of like how they did with the Rebel, even though they only came out with 1 Rebel, but it was different lids. I thought they were gonna offer you 3 different shavers. However, to my knowledge, it's only this one, but nonetheless, man, still looks dope, right? We have the on and off switch right here on the side. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all. So, a lot of times, the microphones on our cameras, the mics that I have on, our mics on our phone, don't do our tools justice. Sometimes it sounds louder. So I don't know exactly how loud it sounds on the mic right now, but it sounds about the same sound a shaver should sound, right? Like the same amount of noise. It's not too loud and it's not too quiet. But we have the on and off switch right there, and then we have the button on the side that's gonna take this off, and some hair might fall out because I have been using this, but this is the button we use right here to take off the foils, and then we have the cutters right there. Once again, y'all gonna have to I'm gonna apologize. Is it focusing? Yeah, it's focused. I'm gonna have to apologize if y'all see some hair on there, because you know your boy has been using it for a little bit. But let's go ahead and put that back on there like so. Snaps on. And then we also have the USB-C charging down here. So it's just a USB-C port. You don't have nothing crazy. It's not a whole different type of charger, a different port. So I like when clipper companies, you know, use a USB-C. I think that's like the new wave right now. A lot of these companies are adding USB-C charging to their tools. And I think that's a good look. You know what I'm saying? That's just me personally. To each his own, but I think that's a good look. So we have the USB-C charging down there. And like I said, that's really all you get in the box. You do get the charger, like I said. And it says it came with a brush, but I may have dropped the brush at the shop or whatnot. But once again, man, check this out. The Master Deluxe Shaver from Stylecraft and Mr. Cartoon. If you are interested in purchasing this, you can go to stylecraftus.com. Use my discount code TANK10 on that website, or you can go to fwbarbersupply.com and use my discount code TANK10 on that website as well. Whichever one you want to use, man, that's totally up to y'all. I'm just giving y'all 2 options. Y'all can go check, use the discount, see which one is going to get it for you at a better price, and you do what you do, you know what I'm saying? But I believe these are on pre-order right now. I don't think they've actually dropped. I know some distributors have these tools already, so they may be shipping them out already. So you can go to fwbarbersupply.com and check if they are shipping it. And then once again, guys, use my discount code TANK10 on this. But if you go to Stylecraft, I think it is going to be a pre-order item. So I'm just letting y'all know that. But once again, either website you go to, make sure to use my discount code TANK10. But now that we showed y'all everything that comes inside of the box and we showed you the actual tool, let's go ahead and move on to talking about what I thought about the performance of this shaver.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Now, when it comes to shavers, man, I have a couple shavers on my station. Like everyone's like, bro, everyone always knows that I have a lot of clippers, but some people don't really be paying attention, but I have a lot of shavers on my station. I have this one, I have the Gamma Boosted, I have the Babyliss stick shavers, I have the FX foil from Babyliss, I have the Wall Vanish on my station. So I got a lot of shavers, and it's because I want to try them out and compare them to different shavers. However, this shaver, as of right now, brand new, I've only used it for about a week now. It's been working good for me. I really like this shaver, and I do want to state that it's almost, I don't know if it's the same exact internals, but it's almost identical to the Rebel shaver. So if you have the Rebel shaver, this is going to be really similar to it, if not the exact same thing, right? Once again, I don't know if it is. I'm just saying when I use it, that's what it kind of feels like, but it's super lightweight. And the good thing about this shaver is you can barely just touch the skin with it, and it starts to shave that hair down really quick and real easily. Sometimes we use shavers and you got to keep going over the hair a lot of times. With this one, as of right now, I'm just going over 1 or 2 times and the hair is knocked down. Now, I do want y'all to understand that these are new foils and new cutters on here. So obviously, when you put a new foil and a new cutter on a shaver, it's gonna work better. So if you have a shaver and it's not working the best, you may just need a new foil and a new cutter, right? So just a little tip for y'all barbers out there who buying a lot of shavers, you may just need a by the actual head, right? But nonetheless, moving back on and talking about this, as of right now, these things melt the hair away. You know, it just melts the hair like butter when I'm cutting with this, and I really like the way it works. I've used it on tapers and on fades, and I think it works good. I used it on myself the other day. My stuff's already grown back, but I did use it on myself the other day, and it does leave a comfortable shave. But a lot of the new shavers leave comfortable shaves, so I don't think that's something that you really have to worry about in today's day and age. But I just want to make sure I put that out there for y'all and let y'all know that it is a comfortable shave, it is lightweight, and it gets the job done. Really, that's all we worried about this shaver is it getting the hair bald. Right? That's all we want the shaver to do is get the hair bald, and you don't want to keep going over it a lot of times to make sure that it is getting the bald. And as of right now, like I said, man, this thing is working great. Once again, if you do want to purchase this, you can go to stylecraftus.com, use my discount code TANK10, or go to fwbarbersupply.com and use my discount code TANK10 on that website. Also, all in all, man, great tool. Not sure what the price is, but I will make sure to put the price on the screen for y'all. That way y'all know, and if y'all do want to purchase it, y'all can go to either one of those websites and use my discount code and get this at a small discounted price. But like I was saying, man, overall, as of right now, great tool. Gonna keep it on my station, like the way it's working. Gonna keep it on the station and keep using it for a little bit to see if it's gonna last for a long time, and see how long these shavers or these foil heads and the cutters actually last, right? But with that being said, man, I just really wanted to talk to y'all a little bit about this shaver and let y'all know my thoughts on it. Y'all can do what y'all want with the information. If you want to listen to me, cool. If you don't, hey, that's on you. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go. You.